Hello, my name is Madam Jennifer from Educare TZ. Welcome my lovely Form 4 students, and we are proceeding with this topic in this session of biology, and we are proceeding with the solving of the question number 8 for the year 2016. The question stated that, what are the raw materials for the photosynthesis? What are the raw materials for the photosynthesis? And question number A, Roman 2 states, list 2 products of photosynthesis. List 2 products of photosynthesis. And the question number 8, Roman B, states that, state how the ileum is adapted for absorption function. State how the ileum is adapted for absorption function. My lovely Form 4 student, this question has been constructed from the topic of the Form 2 in the topic of the nutrition. The first question has been derived from the concept of the nutrition in plants, and the question number 8, Roman B, has been constructed from the concept of the nutrition in mammals, especially in the concept of digestion system in human. So in order to tackle this question or to answer this question properly, you are needed to have a deep understanding concerning the topic of the nutrition, both in plants and in mammals. So I would like to welcome you so as to see on how this question needed to be answered, so to make sure that you get all the marks. So by starting with the question Roman A, which states that, what are the raw materials for photosynthesis? What are the raw materials for photosynthesis? My lovely Form 4 students, we know that plants are living organisms, and these plants are autotroph. One of the characteristics of members of the kingdom Plantae, meaning that they are autotrophic, so they have ability to manufacture their own food. And that process of manufacturing their own food is known as photosynthesis. So photosynthesis, this is a process whereby a green plant manufacture its own food in the presence of the sunlight. So the raw material which enable the plant to do photosynthesize its own food are the one which are asked from our question. So photosynthesis is a process in which green plants manufacture complex food substance from simple inorganic substance such as carbon dioxide and water in the presence of the sunlight and the chlorophyll. From the definition is where you have already get the raw material. So you see that this green plant manufacture complex food substance from this simple inorganic substance which are carbon dioxide and water. So up to here from the definition, you have already get the raw material for photosynthesis, meaning that here you have the carbon dioxide and water, and in the presence of the sunlight they do manufacture the glucose. So the process of photosynthesis occurs in the green part of the plant and mostly in the leaves. Now the raw material for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide and water, which are the simple inorganic substances which are converted in the presence of sunlight to manufacture the glucose and carbon and oxygen as byproduct. So that is what our question needs us to answer. So in order to answer this question, we needed to have deep understanding concerning the topic of the nutrition in plant. So kwa wale ambao lijibu ili swali Roman A, the raw material ambazo ni carbon dioxide and water, tayari wanakuwa wamepata alama zote. The second one umeambiwa kwamba list 2 products of photosynthesis. List 2 products photosynthesis. Just listing, usielezee. So katika photosynthesis process nimeona kwamba raw material ni carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. Na now the product inakuwepo ni glucose na carbon dioxide vile na maji. So these are the main end product of photosynthesis. Katika photosynthesis nimeelezea in details, kuna light phase pamoja na light dependent pamoja na light independent, ambapo kuna kuwepo na all product, ambapo the overall product ya photosynthesis ni glucose, oxygen na maji. Kwa hiyo umejibu hivi vitatu tayari umepata marks zote, lakini maelezo nimeweza tu kuelezea kuweza kuongeza uelewa wako, ambapo glucose ambayo ina be produced at the end product inatumika during the respiration kuweza provide energy in form of ATP. Alafu water used in various chemical reaction in the cells, some used during the transpiration. Lakini oxygen inatumiwa na wanyama kwa ajili ya during the gaseous exchange na vile during the respiration. So oxygen is used during the respiration, ambapo ni aerobic respiration. Na swali la 8 kipengele B lilikuwa linauliza kwamba state how the ileum is adapted for absorption function. Ndio swali ili uweze kulijibu, kwa natakiwa uwe na uelewa kuhusiana na nutrition in mammals katika concept ya digestive system, ambapo katika alimentary canal, ileum is one of the parts of the alimentary canal. It is one of the parts of the small intestine. So the ileum now, ileum is the largest section of the alimentary canal. It's one of the components of the small intestine. It's where the absorption of food do takes place. So intestine contains the secretory cell which secretes mucus and the digestive juice known as intestinal juice. Our question needs us to state how the ileum adapted to the absorption function. So the adaptation of the ileum for absorption function. The first one, ileum is long to provide large surface area for digestion and absorption. So ileum, it is long so as to provide large surface area for absorption and digestion. Vilevile, the ileum is highly coiled to increase the large surface area for absorption and digestion. It is long, also it is highly coiled. Vilevile, it has a villi ambao and microvilli which increase the surface area for absorption. And another adaptation for ileum ni kwamba it has dense network of blood capillaries. They have dense, they are well ventilated, they have dense supply of these blood capillaries kwa ambazo ni muhimu katika supply of the oxygen na vile katika supply of this nutrient to the ileum. Vile cause this blood capillary inasaidia katika efficient supply of oxygen na removal of carbon dioxide, vile katika supply or carrying out of this nutrient to different bodily parts. So it has dense nucleus of blood capillaries which facilitate easy diffusion of digested material. So kwa yote yule ambaye aliweza kujibu hili swali like this, anakuwa tayari amepata all the marks concerning this particular question. So that's mark the end of our today's session. I would like to welcome you in another coming session here at Educare Media. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and likes. Have a nice moment.